Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best shower heads you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The SparkPod shower head offers a luxurious high-pressure rain shower experience with its 6-inch round design made from polished chrome ABS plastic. It features 90 easy-to-clean rubber jets that resist limescale buildup, ensuring consistent performance. The shower head delivers a strong water flow with a maximum output of 1.8 gallons per minute, promoting energy savings without compromising on the experience. Installation is simple and tool-free, connecting to any standard half-inch shower arm in 1 minute, with extra Teflon tape and a water filter included. This low-maintenance shower head is designed for durability and efficient water usage. The AquaCare high-pressure handheld shower head offers versatile functionality with its 8-mode 5-zone power head. It features anti-clog nozzles that prevent grime buildup, ensuring consistent water pressure and enhanced shower hygiene. The shower head has a built-in 2-mode power wash for easy cleaning of tubs, tiles, and stubborn grime, with options for a wide spray or concentrated jet. Designed for both cleaning and pet care, it includes a gentle dual-width fan spray for efficient rinsing. The package includes a 6-foot stainless steel hose, an adjustable overhead bracket, and an adhesive low-reach bracket, making it suitable for various household needs, from childcare to pet bathing. The Oxygenics Evolution offers a luxurious shower experience with patented technology that boosts water pressure, delivering a powerful and invigorating spray. It features 5 unique spray settings, including a waterfall for a spa-like feel and a pendulum spray for a pulsating massage, perfect for sore muscles and relaxation. Constructed with a durable metal base and a brushed nickel finish, it combines durability with style. The shower head extends 9.5 inches from the arm and raises the height by 3 inches, accommodating all users. Easy to install and clean, it operates at a 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate, promoting water and energy savings. The Moen Velocity Chrome Rain Shower is an 8-inch high-pressure shower head featuring Moen's immersion technology, which delivers 3 times more spray power than typical rain shower heads. This technology ensures a thorough full-coverage rinse with exceptional water pressure. The shower head has 2 adjustable settings, a full spray for a rain shower experience and a concentrated rinse for a more targeted clean, controlled with a simple lever. It installs easily on existing shower arms and features a highly reflective chrome finish that suits any bathroom decor. Made from durable brass and metal, the Moen Velocity combines functionality with a sleek, versatile design. The NearMoon is a large 12 by 12-inch ultra-thin shower head designed to provide a powerful rain shower experience. Made from 100% stainless steel with a chrome finish, it is both leak-proof and rust-resistant, featuring a high-quality rubber gasket for added durability. The shower head includes self-cleaning silicone nozzles made from food-grade material, ensuring safety and easy maintenance. Installation is simple and tool-free, compatible with standard shower arms, and includes a swivel ball connector for adjustable angles. Its sleek mirror-like finish complements any bathroom decor, adding a modern and elegant touch to the space.